Hey fellow cyclists! Today we are diving into the world of precision with the best bicycle torque wrenches on the market. If you have ever struggled with over-tightened bolts or worried about damaging your bike components, you are in the right place. I'm your host, and in this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 7 top-notch torque wrenches that promise to elevate your biking experience. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could make a significant difference in your maintenance routine. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1 with the EPAuto half-inch torque wrench. This beast combines precision and affordability in a sleek design. Crafted with a sturdy build, the EPAuto torque wrench boasts a robust half-inch drive, making it versatile for various bike components. Quality is paramount, and EPAuto doesn't disappoint. The wrench's construction ensures durability with a focus on maintaining accuracy over the long haul. The ergonomic handle enhances usability, providing a comfortable grip for extended use without causing hand fatigue. When it comes to features, the EPAuto wrench incorporates a click-type mechanism, alerting you audibly and tactfully when the desired torque is achieved. This is a game-changer for preventing over-tightening, safeguarding your precious bike parts. The Micrometer adjustment allows for easy and precise setting, catering to the specific torque requirements of different components. Effectiveness is where the EPAuto torque wrench truly shines. Whether you are walking on the crankset, handlebars, or pedals, this tool ensures optimal torque, contributing to the longevity of your bike components. The specifications align with industry standards, and the torque range suits a variety of applications, making it an all-in-one solution for your biking needs. Next up at number 2, we have the LEXIVON half-inch click torque wrench, the LX183. This torque wrench caters to the discerning cyclist who seeks precision and reliability in every turn. With a sleek design and robust build, the LX183 stands out in the competitive world of torque wrenches. The quality of materials used in the construction of this wrench ensures longevity and durability. The half-inch drive adds versatility, allowing you to tackle various components with ease. The usability factor is enhanced by the ergonomic handle, making it a joy to work with, even during extended maintenance sessions. The LX183's standout feature is its click-type mechanism. The audible and tactile feedback when reaching the preset torque value ensures foolproof tightening without the risk of overdoing it. The Micrometer adjustment provides precise control, allowing you to fine-tune the torque settings according to your bike's requirements. Effectiveness is at the core of the LX183's design. This torque wrench excels in maintaining the integrity of your bike components, ensuring they endure the rises of your cycling adventures. The specifications align with industry standards, and the torque range caters to a wide array of biking applications. Coming in at number 3 is the TEKTON 3x8-inch Micrometer torque wrench, model number 24330. TEKTON has a reputation for delivering reliable tools, and this torque wrench is no exception. Its 3x8-inch driver makes it ideal for those intricate bike components that require a delicate touch. Quality takes center stage with the TEKTON torque wrench. The durable construction ensures that this tool is built to last. The 3x8-inch drive adds versatility, allowing you to tackle various components with precision. The ergonomic handle enhances usability, providing a comfortable grip for intricate tasks. The Micrometer adjustment feature is a standout in the TEKTON wrench. It allows for precise torque settings, catering to the specific requirements of delicate bike components. The click-type mechanism provides clear feedback, ensuring you achieve the desired torque without the risk of over-tightening. Effectiveness is where the TEKTON torque wrench shines. Whether you are working on your derailleur, brake calipers, or other sensitive parts, this tool delivers the precision needed to maintaining your bike's optimal performance. The specifications align with industry standards, making it a trustworthy choice for any cycling enthusiast. Next at number 4, we have SUERCUP half-inch dual-direction torque wrench. This torque wrench stands out with its unique dual-direction design, providing versatility for both tightening and loosening applications. Let's dive into what makes this wrench a standout choice. SUERCUP doesn't compromise on quality. The robust construction of this torque wrench ensures durability and reliability in any biking scenario. The half-inch drive adds versatility, allowing you to handle various components with ease. The ergonomic handle enhances usability, making it a comfortable choice for any maintenance task. The dual direction feature is the star of the show with the SUERCUP torque wrench. This functionality allows you to tackle a wide range of tasks from tightening bolts to loosening stubborn ones. The click-type mechanism provides clear feedback, ensuring precision in both directions. Effectiveness is where the SUERCUP torque wrench truly excels. Whether you are adjusting your bottom bracket or dealing with pedals that seem stuck, this tool has got you covered. The specifications align with industry standards and the torque range caters to the diverse needs of cyclists. At number 5, we have the Sanliang torque screwdriver wrench set. If precision is a top priority, the Sanliang torque screwdriver wrench set deserves a spot in your bike maintenance arsenal. This sleek and compact set boasts a torque range of 10 to 70 inch per pound, making it perfect for fine adjustments on your bike components. Crafted with a keen eye on design and quality, the Sanliang torque wrench set feels steady in hand. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable use during those extended bike tuning sessions. The build quality shines through, providing a sense of durability that instills confidence. Usability is a standout feature here with a user-friendly torque adjustment mechanism. The audible click when the desired torque is reached adds a layer of assurance, preventing over-tightening and potential damage. Whether you are a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this set caters to all skill levels. Effectiveness is where the Sanliang torque wrench truly shines. The precision it offers ensures that every bolt is tightened to the exact specifications, enhancing the overall performance and longevity of your bike components. The set also comes with a variety of bits accommodating different bolt sizes and types. Number 6 position is dominated by Hairich half-inch dual-direction torque wrench, a powerhouse designed for those who crave versatility and reliability. This torque wrench is a game-changer with its dual-direction mechanism, allowing you to tighten and loosen bolts with ease. In terms of design, the Hairich torque wrench stands out with its robust construction. The half-inch drive size is perfect for a wide range of bike components from handlebars to cranksets. The quality of materials used ensures a long-lasting tool that can withstand the rises of regular use. Usability is a key feature here, with the dual direction function providing added convenience. Switching between tightening and loosening is a breeze, making quick adjustments on the go a reality. The large, easy-to-read torque scale contributes to the overall user-friendly experience. Durability is a strong suit of the Hairich torque wrench, with its solid build instilling confidence in its longevity. The effectiveness of this tool shines through in its ability to handle various torque requirements, catering to the needs of both road and mountain bikers. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, our final contender is the ANPUDS 3x8-inch click torque wrench combines precision with simplicity, offering an excellent solution for cyclists who prioritize ease of use and accuracy. This torque wrench is engineered to click into place, ensuring that your bolts are tightened to perfection. The design of the ANPUDS torque wrench is straightforward yet effective. The 3x8-inch drive size strikes a balance, allowing you to tackle a variety of bike components with ease. The build quality is commendable, providing a tool that feels solid in hand. Usability takes center stage with the click torque mechanism. The audible click when the preset torque is achieved eliminates guesswork, preventing over-tightening and potential damage to your bike components. The ergonomic handle enhances the overall user experience, making it a suitable choice for cyclists of all skill levels. Durability is a notable feature of the ANPUDS torque wrench. Its robust construction ensures longevity, and the simplicity of the design contributes to its reliability over time. This torque wrench is built to withstand regular use, offering consistent performance throughout its lifespan. Thanks for tuning in to discover the top 7 bicycle torque wrenches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your biking buddies, and subscribe for more gear reviews and cycling tips. Check the description for links to the featured torque wrenches and stay tuned for our next video. Happy riding!